So the 720 is going to get loaded up into that trailer, and then we're going to tow that with the Ford that we have over there, and we're basically going to load this up and go. Most of them are already at the track in Grand Bend, but we'll be there a little later. Spent the last really 45 minutes trying to get this thing in here because it is such a wide car. We got about 2 inches on either side, and we have to basically shimmy ourselves out the window because the doors can't open. So you gotta climb out the window. Tightening it down was a little bit difficult. We just having some problems with the straps, but the tension's all good now, and we are pretty much ready to go.
That's beautiful. There you go, that's your ride, Kegun. Yeah! Nice!
Derin, how you feeling today?
We're feeling good. Weather's nice, a little chilly.
Kegun, how you feeling today?
Stressed. That was scary.
We just got the car backed out.
Oh yeah.
Everything's working well. We're gonna hit the track soon. So we're just about to get on the track right now. We're gonna take it out there. Derin, what do you think?
It's
He's
beautiful.
gonna ride in it.
It's beautiful.
And yeah, it's actually the same color as my helmet,
Yes.
pretty much.
Is it recording?
No.
Welcome. We're here at the
You're losing your face.
Here, wait, how do you do this? Welcome everybody to the first Car Combined vlog. We're here at the Grand Bend Motorplex, and we are having a track day with the Windsor Exotic Car Club. So let's go show you around, show you some of the cool
Some
cars
nice
here.
cars here.
Yeah.
Here we have the Volkswagen Jetta.
It's probably the coolest car here. There's a minivan and a Grand Cherokee. So first here we've got a Crema Avorio 488 Spider
We already did a
with
video.
a red interior. We did a video on this one. And we've got a green Camaro 1LE. Got a 128i with God knows how many mods are on this thing. Got a nice GTS here, Carrera. Got a C8, but
Done for the day.
yeah, that one is done for the day, let me tell you, because check this out. The tires, he forgot to deflate them, and they are
Ripped to
completely shredded. And that was only after a couple sessions, so this baby is done for the day. But then we've got a Huracan Spider, Audi RS7, 370Z, X6M, 2 more C8s. We've got an Ultraviolet GT3 RS, Stelvio Quadrifoglio, C6, 911 Turbo, 992. So here we've got the Ultraviolet GT3 RS. This thing is a full-out track car. He's got his trailer right here. This thing is beautiful. The color, the rims, everything. Amazing spec. Alex, pro editor, producer, he's back in with the 720S. One lap. One lap.
Black flag up.
So here we got filmer Alex with the 720S.
Look at the ceramic gray helmet.
Oh yeah.
Got a paint job. So 1 lap in, we got black flagged for no reason.
Feels bad. Feels bad.
Because apparently we weren't letting people pass on the right side. even though we don't know this track. It's the first time here. Well, we're gonna go out again, but I'm just gonna grab my lens now and take some shots of the car. Also, stay tuned. Derin, Kegun, and I are gonna head out in the minivan. All right, second round up. We're now good to go. Just finished a few laps. Oh my god, that McLaren is something else. Derin, you're next. I'm gonna get my GoPro going now. Alright, I'm gonna stick this on the outside of the McLaren here.
Oh god.
So bad.
I get nervous behind the camera.
McLaren's getting a lot of attention, you know? Alright, we got the GoPro on here now, and that'll get that view. Hopefully get some flames. We're gonna go ahead and go out for a few more laps. Alright, it's recording. Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Alright, attention to the pits, everybody. Attention to the pits. 5-minute call.
Oh, you want to do it? Let's do it.
Derin looking
They have like
fresh
I think over there.
with the helmet.
Yeah, right there. They got a little.
Ready.
It's like Cletus.
Alright, Derin and my dad are taking out the McLaren. I'm gonna go up top here and shoot some pics.
This is the fastest car of the day, then, this one. This would be,
We're about to better it now.
yeah, you'd be in the high nines.
Alright, Derin, what just happened?
They let us on the drag strip, apparently with the fastest time.
At the drag strip, this thing just ran a 10.8, which is insane.
Dock 720S. Unreal. pushed it.
What we doing?
Taking out the minivan out onto the track. You already know how it is.
Lamborghini, shred up these sick tires.
Come on, buddy, let's go! Here, aerodynamics. Get down, aerodynamics. That is perfection.
Alright, we just put the McLaren away.
And that concludes the track day.
You know, it was a bit all over the place, not your typical vlog, but we'll get better as we go on. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you
Like,
enjoyed.
subscribe.
Let us know what you want to see next, and follow our socials at Car Combine, and thanks for watching.
Peace.